This Align Right Realty property video is presented by SEER A. Welcome to Calusa Creek, a new townhome community in the heart of Riverview FL. As you enter this home, you will know that this home is a class apart. Feel welcomed by the bright and airy open floor plan, with beautiful wood-look ceramic tiles on the main level and stunning soft close cabinets and drawers in the kitchen and brand new appliances. This home has a large living room / dining room / kitchen combination area on the first floor, great for gathering family and friends. As you go upstairs, you will find a good-sized loft area and the 3 spacious bedrooms and a convenient laundry area equipped with top-of-the-line Maytag washer and dryer. The large master bedroom comes with a spacious walk-in closet. The master bathroom has an enclosed walk-in shower / dual vanity / separate toilet and linen closet. The 2 other bedrooms come with fans and built-in closet space. The guest bathroom upstairs has granite countertop and tub. This home is a brand new construction townhome with all brand new appliances including refrigerator, range, dishwasher, microwave, washer and dryer. The enclosed and screened patio outside the living room provides an area for grilling or lounging and enjoying the backyard. The garage is roomy enough for your vehicle plus storage. There is also plenty of driveway space on the property to park 2 cars. Energy-efficient features include a 15 SEER AC unit with programmable thermostat and double-pane low-E windows. There is also a community pool for you to enjoy. This community's convenient Riverview location has easy access to US 301 and I-75, and is close to shopping, entertainment, services, and top-rated schools. So what are you waiting for?